So the first passenger that we invite on our train is Pepijn. He joined our project quite recently still, and he is working on researching challenges and opportunities of implementation of decentralized clinical trial elements outside Europe, so in emerging markets in Africa and in Brazil. And this is actually, I think we all have this wonderful flag here at the bottom of the slide. And Trials at Home is a very Europe-focused project because we want to bring forward clinical trials in Europe. But actually, you can also still learn from each other. And that's what this project was all about. And Pepijn will share in his lightning presentation a short reflection of what he did in this project. So, Pepijn, the floor is yours. Yeah, you can stand up and give your presentation.
Yeah, thanks. Where's the clicker?
You can press the green.
Green.
Yeah.
Ah, great. So I will talk about the opportunities and challenges for DCTs in emerging markets. So the aim of this research is to describe challenges and opportunities in DCTs in two leading emerging markets, South Africa and Brazil, for clinical research in their research. And the motivation is that DCT elements, or DCTs in general, have the potential to improve trial efficiency, retention, and participant representation. And to a lesser degree, we also want to triangulate or extend learnings from similar research in the European context. So this research consisted of focus group discussions satisfied by stakeholder groups, 4 of which were in Brazil and 5 in South Africa, with participants, personnel, and sponsors and regulators. And the transcripts were translated where applicable and indicatively coded by with NVivo. So here we already have some preliminary themes. We're still in the middle of thinking about the coding. What's important to mention here is that these themes are related. So trust is, for example, important not only for relationships and trust, but also for data quality and trustworthiness and support and safety, for example. Based on this research, we can already identify some conveniences and burdens. So the focus group participants expressed some clear conveniences for participants, trialists, and on a system level. So participants expressed that they had less travel time as a clear convenience. Trialists found it easy, the easy continuous data collection a convenience. And on a system level, many trialists expressed the benefit of reaching a broader population. But participants also expressed some challenges. For trial participants, they were mainly concerned about protecting privacy with at-home visits of staff and deliveries of medication. Trialists have expressed concerns about increased travel time and potential no-shows of participants at their home or or a site. And on a system level, there were worries about handling medication, especially when it needs to be kept at a low temperature. But in general, there was also a positive outlook, and I want to end with the quote on the slide to express that. So in response to the question of are there any challenges that can't be overcome, a participant of the focus group said, no, because this is all the beginning, right? What we're doing here is something that's just the beginning. But surely with time we can improve everything, we can get tools right, we can find the ways for the process itself to be carried out, the whole process. So there is this clear positive attitude. And I want to end with thanking the teams in the Netherlands, Brazil, and South Africa. Thank you.